yeah, no. So been working on as well. So
You've been working out?
lost 3 kilos in the last 4 weeks. We're ready to start. Okay, so good morning, good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. I'm here, as usual, with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com. We have a lot of exciting things going on in the news I saw on the website, so let's kick it off right away. Winston, let us know what's happening in the exciting world of commercial real estate in Central Eastern Europe.
Thanks for the introduction, Craig. So we'll start today in Poland, and we've got a new investor that's entered the market.
Oh, great.
Called Fortress. They're from South Africa, and they are the largest shareholder in NEPI Rockcastle.
Okay.
And they've acquired 2 logistics facilities, one in Bydgoszcz and one in Stargard, from Griffin Property Finance.
Oh, so they're doing it direct now. They're buying their own.
This is their first direct acquisition in Poland.
Okay, great. So also a potentially great newcomer for award for the CEE REIT investment awards.
Yeah, and I guess you'll be sending that invite to Stephen Brown.
Yeah,
he's
great.
Their CEO.
We'll invite him to the jury.
Yeah, and he's very excited about this acquisition because he sees the investor. They see great potential in Poland,
right?
With the e-commerce and nearshoring and just the general the rich infrastructure and the proximity to Western Europe. This Poland is very attractive for investors looking for attractive logistics warehouse developments.
Well, great. Welcome to have Fortress. Another
welcome
African.
Fortress.
Good.
And moving on, we're going to move to Bucharest, and Colliers have said that the capital there has reached 3 million square metre threshold of office, gross leased office space.
So a new big.
A big milestone.
Exactly.
Yeah, and in terms of delivery, 2020 was a robust year, and 156,000 square meters of offices came online.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, it's a lot.
It's a lot of buildings.
Some of the important, or some of the biggest ones were Anna Tower by Anna Tower, the third phase of Global Worth's campus project. One United's One Tower.
Oh, great.
Skanska also delivered some.
So all the big names continuing to deliver property.
Yeah, and Forte, they developed some more of the bridge complex down there.
Oh, great. Okay, so big, lots of action.
Yeah, but lots of new deliveries. But 2020 was a difficult year for demand, and there was a 40% reduction in demand according to Colliers last year in Bucharest. So not such good news on that front.
40%.
40% reduction. Okay. Yeah,
it's a big number
compared to 2019. And but going forward, Colliers do expect the market to pick up, and they say the potential for the office sector in Bucharest is huge.
Right.
And there's a potential for 5 million square meters to be reached. 5 million square meters quite soon.
Wow. Okay.
If all goes well, and we get no more black swan events.
Well, what could go wrong? Yeah.
What could go wrong? Yeah, it's been rosy the last year.
Yeah, sure.
And staying in Romania, IBIS have opened the Timisora city centre hotel.
Oh, excellent. Okay.
Opened at the beginning of March, so this is some positive news for the hotel market. And this is a 200-room economy hotel in the centre of Timisora. And some interesting news that I learned today, that is that Timisora is going to be the European City of Culture in 2023.
Oh, that's exciting.
Yeah, I think that's a big honour and great publicity for Romania.
Well, there's a lot of culture in Romania.
A lot of culture, and it's a beautiful country. And they're very excited by this, and this is why they're partnering up with local investor developers to really push out hotels, because they see a massive influx of tourism to that area.
That's a nice area to go. I've been there before. So.
Yeah. Good. And staying in centrally southeastern Europe, Accor and Balfin Group, they are going to open an MGallery Hotel in Albania.
Oh, great. It's good to hear when there's some investment in Albania.
Yeah,
we don't report on too much things happen.
No, this will be a 112-room hotel on the coast, and that's scheduled to open in 2024.
Oh, okay.
And apparently, Accor's ambition for Southeastern Europe is again very ambitious. They see lots of potential in the market down there. It's beautiful part of the world, and they see tourism, great potential in tourism sector, and they're going to open or start many new brands down there.
Oh, great. Well, it's a good area.
Yeah, and the MGallery hotels, it's like a chain of boutique hotels, and each one has an individual character which kind of highlights the area it's in. So they sound very interesting, and
No, great. I mean, that area is really nice. A lot of mountains, a lot of great forests, and just nature.
Yeah, and good weather.
Good weather.
It's really important.
Well, that's
if you're going on
already
holiday.
something that we haven't seen any of that for a while in Warsaw here, so
No.
we hope for some good weather.
And moving on, we have some news from CTP Invest.
Okay.
They're developing a new €60 million logistics facility just outside Budapest.
Well, I guess it wouldn't be the Coffee with Craig show if we didn't have something on logistics.
Yeah, it's a lot of that in the news at the moment, and this will be their fourth development outside Budapest.
Okay.
And according to their director of development, this is in line with the e-commerce growth, the offshoring, nearshoring sector, and the demand for these type of complexes is just going very strongly and very well.
Right. I'm sure Raymond Voss and his team are constantly working on new projects down there.
Yeah, I mean, there's been a lot of news from this company and lately, and they're the fifth largest logistic developer in the region now, if not the whole of Europe.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, great. Anything else from our...
That's it for today.
Okay, all right.
If you need any more news, then please go to EuropaProperty.com, and we have updates throughout the day.
Absolutely. Subscribe now. We'll talk a little bit about our SEE Awards, which is coming up April 7th and 8th. And really taking off. I mean, it's not surprising we have a lot of news, but we've got a lot of partners. We've got our premier partners, which are Hagag and Hagag Development Europe and CTP Invest in Development. Our award sponsors, we have AFI Europe Romania, Bogart, Brisk, and SEMA AG. So, and then for our Flex Office partner, again, it's New Work. So, I mean, that's really, the sponsorships are really taking off, the partnerships are really taking off down there, and I think it's probably because a lot of the investment is happening in Romania, Bulgaria these days.
Yeah, there's a lot of positive news coming out from that part of the world, which is really good, and I think our awards are showing that.
Yeah, and you can also, as being part of the event or buying tickets or sponsoring, you can meet some of our jury, which we've got Dieter Knittel from PBB Deutsche Fanbrief Bank, from Sylvia Stratulat from Stratulat Albulescu law firm. CTP, we have Anya Dumitra from Optim. We have, of course, David Evans, who's been with us for a long time. Bogart is Bogdan Doicescu, very good guy, has been with us for quite a long time. Brisk, of course, is Claudio Besnell. Of course, David Hay, which we know, another big investor from Add Value Management. From AFI Europe, we have Doran Klein. Forte Partners, we have João Margescu, who's been with us for many years. Also, SEMO, Mark Krug. So quite a lot of big names that are there, the busiest guys on the market. And from New Work, Albert Apt. So so anyway, it'd be an exciting time. We have a lot of fun things happening, a lot of interesting panels on investment in the region, and we hope you'll all join us. So with that, I think we'll wrap it up. This is our video from last year. So really a lot of exciting new things coming, a lot of fun. So we'll take care, cut it from there, and enjoy the rest of the day. And we'll see you tomorrow on the Coffee with Craig show.